Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. I praise the Lord with my whole heart. In the assembled congregation, I declare his powerful words as the heritage of nations. For the words of the Lord are great, studied by all who have pleasure in them. And his word is glorious, it uprightly endures forever. Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. For he has made all his wonderful outworking of grace to be remembered. And full of compassion he's given food to every one of those who fear him. In mindfulness of his covenant, he's sent redemption to his people, his hands being outspread for justice. In verity he made us his equal. Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. For the fear of the Lord is wisdom, yes, understanding God is wise, to do all the things he said, and let his praise endure the skies. Yes, I praise the Lord with my whole heart, in the assembled congregation, declaring his powerful words as the heritage of nations.